How to change Google Maps from walking. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes from walking to other options. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the search bar. Here, search the location where you want to set the direction to. So here I've selected one. Now you can simply tap on this directions option. Tap on directions. So as you can see, these are the options available. Here there is a car, a train, and a walking option. In order to change the walking option, simply switch it to another one. Here you can select two of them. So here it's done. Now simply tap on the start button on the bottom and will be all set. So it has been completely changed from walking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video would help you.